Are you tired of spending hours creating animations from scratch? Today, we are going to explore the best AI animation tool that will revolutionize your visual storytelling. This tool is designed to make the animation process faster, easier, and more stunning than ever before. Before we get started, I start with gratitude by thanking you all that have subscribed to this channel and all the support you give in various ways. Here's a huge shout out to you. In this video tutorial, we use 3 AI tools from Canva to create a beautiful animation in just 5 minutes. Let's explore how these tools work together. Log into your Canva account so you can follow along. If you don't have a Canva account, go ahead and open one for free. First, we open a new blank canvas in the landscape video format, 1920 by 1080, by clicking on Create a Design. Then, we access the Designer area. Open the apps and scroll down and select the Text-to-Image tool. We add our desired text prompt. Describe the image in as many details as you can. The more specific you are, the better the image you will get. Then choose a background style such as the dreamlike style. I am choosing filmic and dreamy for my design. Click Create Image and let the system generate the images for you. This process takes a few moments. Once the images have been generated, review and select the preferred background images. Play around with the images as much as you want. After creating the image, we move on to Step 2. In Step 2, we search for graphics at Ducky under the Elements section. Depending on the number of scenes we want, we can create multiple slides and add as many character icons as needed. I am making sure to add plenty of ducklings into my design. Then I will create a pathway for these ducklings to follow or move around. Once the scenes and characters are set, we proceed to the third AI tool. The third AI tool is the Canva animation feature. We select the desired element, click on Animation, and choose Create an Animation. By dragging the element along the desired path, we create the animation effect. We repeat this process for each scene, ensuring the elements are grouped if we want them to move together smoothly. Here is my finished animation. After completing the animation, you can download it and share it with others. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.